Hi, welcome to the Jacob Cooking Show. Today I will cook a good whole pancake. For the ingredients, you will need 1½ cup of purple flour. For the second ingredient, you will need 1/3 teaspoon baking powder. For the third ingredient, you will need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. For the fourth ingredient, you will need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the fifth ingredient, you will need 1¼ cup of milk. For the sixth ingredient, you will need 3 tablespoons of butter melted. And for the seventh ingredient, you will need 1 large egg. For the material, you will need a large bowl. You will need also an oil grid or a pan. For the third material, you will need a scoop to measure the batter. For the fourth material, you will need a flipping spatula. And for the fifth, you will need a spoon to measure the other ingredient. First, you will pour the milk into the bowl and combine all the other ingredients together. You will need 1 cup and 1/4 cup. After the milk, you will need 1½ purple flour. After the flour, you will need 1/3 and 1/2 of baking powder. After the baking powder, you will need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. After the brown sugar, you will need 1¼ teaspoon of salt. After the salt, you will need 1 large egg. I will need 3 teaspoons of butter melted. Now I will mix everything together. Here is the batter, and now I will cook. Now you will flip the pancake. When it's cooked, you can serve it with maple syrup. Thank you for listening to my cooking show.